Hey guys, it's How To Tuesday, and today we're going to cover the importance of sharpening your knife. There's several levels to buy into this, and below I've linked everything from knife lessons to the video I made on sharpening your knives. So check those out. Today I'm just going to give you a few of the finer points. I've soaked this whetstone in water for about a day. I'd say about a half hour to an hour minimum. And I'm just going to use my 10-inch chef's knife. This is what I use on a regular basis. I'll start with the fluted side. And I know the angle to this knife. If you want to learn about angles, check out the video below. I'm just gonna run this back and forth. All right, now that I've got the first side done all the way to the tip, we're gonna turn it over a little bit higher angle now, and we're gonna go back and forth. About 10 strokes, slide down. All right, you can also hold it this way if you'd like, and this way. I just prefer to do it like this. From there, we'll just feel and say, is it sharp or is it not? If it is, then we're gonna move over to the softer 6000 grit stone and just kind of polish it up. Finish it with the same two angles there. For a serrated knife like this, there's a different type of stone, which is this. And for that, you kind of work an angle. You get in here where the serrated, where each tooth is, and figure out how you can grind that away, all right? You go all the way down, flip it over, all the way back, same idea, and there you're sharpened up. So there's a chance you've been waiting for weeks to drop your knives off at the shop, but when you have your own tools, you can do it within 20 minutes. This is another culinary ninja skill. Get your own tools, sharpen your knives often, and we'll see you next week.